Hey there, welcome to an exciting journey where we unlock the ultimate VIP red carpet deal just for you. Get ready to be amazed. Welcome to your ultimate VIP red carpet deal. Save hundreds of dollars instantly and unlock everything you need for maximum results with Explaindio Agency.
This is your exclusive access to our mega bundle deal. Get ready for free training on creating pro videos with zero skills and discover how to sell or rent your videos to businesses.
Here's what you get with our limited time discounted bundle today. Warp Tech. Create TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram shorts that make businesses crave your services. 2D and 3D animation explainer, Doodle Sketch shorts and motion videos. Drag and drop content creator, easy to use and highly efficient.
Join over 35,000 creators, marketers, and businesses already using Explaindio. Enjoy features like multiple animations at once, full multi-timeline editing, importing external three-dimensional elements, and access to millions of stock photos and videos.
Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy users. Explaindio fills a crucial gap in video marketing. Scott Hamlin, a game changer for my whiteboard video business. Mr. Sandegi, super user-friendly and versatile. Adam Bender.
Get the Explaindio Agency Edition software plus all 7 upgrades for $1,209 off. This includes 300 plus fonts, 600 plus pre-done animated scenes, 500 Doodle Sketch images, 500 full HD background videos, 6 animated characters, and VIP access to the Explaindio users group. Don't miss out. Click the link now to get your ultimate VIP red carpet deal. Transform your video creation process and skyrocket your business today. Explaindio, the ultimate video creation software. Link is in the description.